Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Wadlah hadu kini kisngi, ki MLA kasang Kongres ki belahar syukino na kekerdan Menteri Sarkar. Bat kumjo kitu ki balabna ka khana hamsaya, bakin samino na kasang Kongres. Kampat syai, balada kiti kena ban kentiap seng. Syakano pat kaseng sanhima ke bakidon jing temu banait penyeso. Henry la sakipan ya kejingi kendo sop-sop jong ki MLA ko Kongres bat kinong ilam jong ki weipat ki seng san partai. Dang hene kesngi ka nyo trik unopra kaladon kejingi kendo jar-jar hapedeng National President jong ke NPP u Konrad K Sangma u James Sangma bat uba Preston Tensong hayeng sa jong pokse. Ha kene kejingi kendo la songtho bakadon kejingi kren halor kesan hima sima ha kejela bat ban penkre ya ke election kemenwan. Habai keren pan bat ke Patisi TV na kaliang u Konrad K Sangma om syam la phla ni kren ai halor kene kejingi kendo jongki bat kimat ki bakilai kren. Henry ula aiksai baki eki khubor baro ki baydai baka kamsan hima sima ken sami shen hakapor ka babiang.
No, there was nothing. It's just a person is a good friend. So I've just come, he just said come for a cup of tea. So nothing much. We just discussed about the political scenario in the state. There's nothing more than that. Yeah, we have discussions, but I just said it will not be appropriate for me to divulge what we discussed. But obviously we are politicians, so we discussed the political scenario in the state. And we decided on a few things how to move forward. That's all it is, nothing more. Everything will come out at the right time. So I think it's not the appropriate time to talk about it.